Our home, the planet Earth, is third in line from the sun among all the planets. Also, our planet Earth is a very unique planet. Do you know why? Because it supports life. It is the only planet on which you will find plants, animals, human beings, birds and butterflies, even insects. So all these living beings live only on planet Earth among all the planets in the solar system. And that's why it's unique. But have you ever thought what exactly makes it so unique? I mean, what exactly is there on planet Earth which isn't there on any other planet which supports life? Well, the two most important things. They are air and water. Air contains oxygen, which we breathe, and of course, water. Without drinking water, can you survive? You can't. In fact, they are so important that if you compare, you will find that without oxygen, you cannot even live 3 minutes. If you don't eat food, you can still survive for 3 weeks. But if you don't get water, you won't even survive 3 days. And about oxygen, if you don't get oxygen, you will not survive 3 minutes. So you see how important water and oxygen are? Even without food, you can survive for 3 weeks, but not without oxygen and water. And that is what makes our planet Earth so unique, because it has these two elements in huge quantities for us to survive. Let's talk about water. Our Earth's surface is covered 70% with water. In fact, there is so much water on planet Earth that if you look from outer space, our planet looks blue. And that's why it's called the blue planet. So that's about water. But what about air? Where does the air or our oxygen come from? Well, our planet Earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air. Just like we have blankets, which saves us from very cold season. Similarly, our Earth also has an air blanket, which keeps it warm. At the same time, it contains very important oxygen, which is required for us to breathe and survive. So you see, that's where air comes from. Now, are these two the only things which makes our Earth so unique? Well, there is one more thing. But before that, tell me, if you have something which is very hot, can you touch it? Or something which is very cold, can you touch it? Well, if something is very hot and you try to touch it, you will burn your hands. And if something is very cold and you try to touch it, your hands may become numb. So that means we need something which is of even temperature. For example, it should not be very hot, it should not be very cold. It should be something in between. And only then we human beings or even animals can really touch it or survive it. Similarly, our planet Earth has just the right temperature. It is neither too hot like Venus, neither too cold like Mars. It has the exact temperature for us to survive. In fact, planet Earth is 513 million kilometers away from Sun, which is just the perfect distance from the Sun so that it doesn't get too hot or too cold. And that is why our planet Earth is a very unique planet and it helps us survive. So now that you know about our planet Earth and how it provides us water, oxygen, and the right temperature to survive, so it's our responsibility to take care of it so that it is able to help us and all the other living beings survive just like we are doing right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.